Asha Madam, Nara, and also Sri Lakshmi, as I already said. So we'll be going with the senior most faculty, the Guru of Gurus, okay, one of the brilliant person, loved by everyone, loved by everyone. So earlier we have heard that Jayaraman sir was strict, but I don't think so. Okay, he's strict. Even if he is strict, I call it as a discipline. And if discipline, if some people call it as a strict, it is meaningless because CA course cannot happen without the discipline. Okay, so with the discipline sir has lived, with the discipline sir has taught, and today I think people are saying, "Oh, Jayaraman sir is also chill, only relaxed," but he doesn't compromise as far as quality of education is concerned. As Niranjan was mentioning, even in the pen drive class also he scolds the students. Yes, because without that, who will scold? Only our parents and the people who are concerned with us. A neighbor will not scold us. A unknown person will not scold. A person who is concerned about our growth only will be scolding. That's why he has lived, and there's a reason why everybody loves him. Okay, so Jayaraman sir, whom if anybody doesn't know, just introduce. He is what he called walking legend as far as the law is concerned. And 25 years back also he was like that. Today also he is like that. The way he conveys the what you call law in such an extremely great energetic manner and in a simplified manner, in a effective manner, it is just awesome. So over to you, sir. Jayaraman sir. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Shetty sir, respected faculties and my dear students. I know I've got only small time available to me. I would like to tell a few words. As a faculty in CAPS, my experience, I would put it into a 7-point formula. 7-point formula I have found out. The first thing I find in CAPS is the kind of fees which they charge. My God, I've been a faculty for the last 30 years. Believe me, no other place in India that kind of fees is being charged. Hats off to one man, Shetty sir. I'm not trying to boost and all. I'm just trying to tell the reality. That is really, really hats off to him. No compromise on that issue. And he has got the capacity, capability to convince. So the first thing, we are all quite happy that we have joined as a faculty at a right place where they don't squeeze the student. So very reasonable and low fees, which we are catering to the needs of poor and middle class students who form the backbone of the CA community today. Second formula I find in CAPS is we have a team of good faculties. As I said, some of them may not be experts, but then expertise is not what we want. We have got a team of faculties and they are basically energetic and they are interested to learn many things. See, there is nothing called, for faculties, there is nothing called the end of the day. Every day is a new day for them. And now after teaching for 30 years, whenever I face the camera or face the students, it's a new drama for me. So we have to prepare and come. That way I have seen all the faculties are putting their best to the possible extent and they are energetic. That is really lovely. We have got very good team of faculties. Third, come to discipline. I really do not know. See, some of the senior students have created a hype about Jayaraman. That is very strict, this, that, and all. Hey, yeah, this is too much. Let me tell the student here, I am a very nice person. You check with my wife. She will definitely agree with you. Maybe I'm qualified, experienced, I'm a bit aggressive when it comes to teaching, that's all. And the other way we look at it, we are highly disciplined a lot at CAPS. What remarkably I liked in CAPS with Shetty sir is this discipline. Discipline is wrongly understood word everywhere. Discipline, I feel, is dedication and mission, vision, concentrate and focus on that. After all, other things become secondary for us. Our only vision and mission should be that student must get through the first attempt. Second attempt is self-defeating. So everything else can wait. So this is the third principle under which we work, absolute discipline in a disciplined environment, that we should get through, the students must get through the first attempt. The fourth formula I found was freedom. Freedom for the faculties. In fact, I didn't know much about Shetty sir. Of course, I knew him in the market for so much long time. So last time when I joined him, I said, sir, one thing I will not compromise. is whatever I want, I will speak in the class. Freedom is very essential. He said, sir, that is what I want. Please go ahead. So hats off to him. So we are not put any kind of constraints whatsoever. Once the class is given, it is to us. So we speak whatever we want, absolute freedom. Because nowadays, lot of restrictions are put on the faculties. They don't, lot of freedom is not given to you. Even ideologically, certain things when we say, there will be a lot of difference. But then we find at faculty level is freedom. The fifth one, it may not be of much interest to students, but it is of interest to me. Prompt payments we get. So even before the batch is over, no, he sends our check and all, very good payment. And the payment is not, as far as I know, is hourly basis and all. He shares the majority or even a very sizable portion of his income. Maybe few administrative charges he's only keeping. Beyond that, nothing. He shares with us. Wonderful. This is a forum which I have been doing this in Spellbound. Many people used to criticize, whatever you get, you hand over to the faculties. And this is how the faculties are. After all, the earnings come from the faculties only as such. So we get the prompt payment. And the sixth formula we enjoy is goodwill, the happiness. See, as the goodwill is something that name makes the difference. See, I remember Narayan Murthy told in his vision mission statement, Narayan Murthy said, the saddest day in my life will be when an employee leaves the organization. He said, because I'm not able to create an opportunity to me, there is someone who is creating more opportunity. He said the saddest day. That way, what is very important is the goodwill is created among the faculties, among the students, that this is the best place for learning. So that goes a long way. And the teamwork. These are the 7 points I thought I should tell. And I'll just finish off. I've taken more time. And one point I would like to tell is regarding marketing. I had expressed this opinion also to Shetty sir. In the last 30 years of my teaching, of course, marketing by the organization is there. That will be done. But the real marketers are the previous year students. This I've told 100 times. They see, you have already made our payment to us. No doubt about it. You are given the Guru Dakshina. But I want one more Guru Dakshina from all the previous year students. You are the people who will tell the other students. And once word-to-mouth publicity is what you tell the other students, they will definitely come. So while I appreciate the marketing effort done by us as an administration management side, students, the fast students only has to go and tell. I still remember in certain coaching centers, including CAPS, where they say, Jackie, just come on, go and join CAPS. That's all. That kind of word from the student, that will be very effective because we are all professionals. There are limitations. A doctor cannot advertise. Doctor cannot go and say, who are all the patients in the house? I'll give the better treatment and all. There are ethics and values. So that way, it is only the student who create publicity for us. So thank you very much. I think I have exceeded my time. Wish you all the best. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Jayaraman sir, for your Saptapadi steps. I know even for the success of a marriage, there is Saptapadi, and you have given it in such a beautiful 7-step approach. So we hope that actually whatever suggestion you have given, I as a faculty, I as a teacher here, and all our student friends, okay, will implement it, and so that will contribute to the growth of the institution, because institution is always about the individual. That's the principle, what I think Jayaraman sir has told. Thank you very much, sir. Now, I think when you are talking about discipline, we don't find another name, other than our own Uday Chandra sir. Okay, same time, moment you spoke about discipline, I think UC sir has entered the forum. So we are so happy. I'm sure most of the students who are also listening, they're also smiling just by hearing his name. Because I was always telling my students, so 2 o'clock class means the sir will be there at 1:45. I still remember one day he called me saying that, sir, I'll be late today. And that day he came at 1:55 for 2 o'clock class. So this is the kind of discipline our sir has maintained. Maybe for last 30, 40 years, he's into that. So and he is like a what you call blessings for all of us. The way like Jayaraman sir, we have one more senior faculty. UC sir is there from the beginning with us for the economics. Economics means UC sir means economics sir. That is the way actually synonyms have been created, and such a great discipline. Okay, great discipline is to come all the way from Belgaum only to teach at CAPS. Okay, and he has told in the last forum also he doesn't teach anywhere else except for the disciplinary reason actually. So only for that reason he's coming and teaching here. So welcome you sir on behalf of the entire forum and open to you. So the forum is open to you sir for your words. ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್. ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes.
Now it's okay, right? Yes. So good evening to one and all. So very nice to listen to Jayaraman sir, Shetty sir, and I'm seeing Asha also there. Yeah, a lot of actually people whom I know. I don't know, last almost our relationship with CAPS is more than, I think, 2 decades. It seems to be. And as Shetty sir mentioned actually 2 things. When I started taking classes in CAPS, only one thing Shetty sir mentioned, sir, you are at liberty. It is your class. Always I used to tell the students, see, my class is a little economics language, it is a monopoly. Only entry, there is no exit. That's what I used to tell them always actually. So there is no free entry as such actually, and there is entry and there is no exit. And second thing is actually about CAPS. Last so many years actually, I don't know how many chartered accountants have come out successfully from CAPS Foundation. That is the academic part. Best of the best faculties are there. I know them, some of them were my students also, but they have become my teachers now. I think they are so much capable now. I'm really happy for that. Second thing is actually, CAPS is concerned, it is not just actually an academic, oriented organization. Their social work is concerned, and the way they are involved to solve the societal problems in their own way. It is really wonderful actually. Very few organizations, more than 25 years, CAPS is doing this particular job. A great service to the nation. That is what today youngsters have to understand. I think CAPS, I think, has done a wonderful job. It is kudos to Chandrasekhar Shetty and his team. Second thing for the students, I just would like to say only one point. I don't want to elaborate much. Always we mention, be with those who bring you out the best in you, not the stress in you. I think CAPS is the best place. That is bringing out the best in you. I have seen the leadership developed by CAPS in all these days, and how many youngsters have become actually leaders today in the society because of CAPS. Greatest contribution to the nation. I think that's one aspect I would like to actually highlight. And please continue, sir, the same this thing. This is the nation building activity. Probably we are all in the fag end of our life, to be frank with you. But the next generation is concerned, if they are able to continue what sir has mentioned, the discipline, the commitment, and the grit to achieve certain things, probably CAPS is teaching. Wonderful. I want CAPS to continue this activity forever, and the CAPSonians are concerned will maintain the high spirits of Shetty sir as well as his team. So all the best to CAPS and CAPS students. Thank you very much, sir. Right, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Always short and sweet. And just to tell all my viewers, based on the information we have more than 2,000 CAs produced only from one center. We don't have so many centers, please understand. Maybe 500 CAs name right now, if you ask me also, I'll tell you. And maybe out of that, around 250 to 300, I can tell where they are now, what they are doing. That much also, by God's grace, I have, only by God's grace. Little bit of memory power, what I have. And as all of you are aware, 104 plus all India ranks with the 3 first ranks all India. Okay, we have. So this is a small achievement. Okay, what we have. Since Sir has told how many CS we don't, I just want to give the statistics. We don't have complete data because initial period we never maintained, but I can definitely tell. Just to tell an example of Anish Asha batch. One batch itself, one exam only, we had more than 100 CS, only one examination itself. That list I think we already have. Okay, so Rachita is also I think part of that. She 3-4 of them from that group only they are there. And just to confirm, sir, sir, definitely it is our endeavor to ensure that we'll continue the discipline, because a beautiful statement which says when you walk in the rose garden, you don't have to take out that plucker, that roses, but the fragrance automatically comes to you. So we are grown with you. You have given me a chance to teach for a CA student. I cannot forget in my life. If I entered into this CA teaching, it is only because of you have given me a chance. So, and I've seen the discipline what you have inculcated in you. First you practice, then you preach, and we definitely continue. And Jayaraman sir said the same thing. You confirmed the same thing. And my student friends, if you can also listen, it is nothing like an implementer. So, because ultimately, without discipline, nobody can reach the top. A tea vendor can become the prime minister. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, coming from such a tough background, can become a president, where no opposition party also had the guts to oppose its candidature. Okay, it all happened just because of discipline. So, and also the students, as of now, we have Narsimhan, who is an international level speaker. So Texas Instrument, entire Asia Pacific Vice President is our student. Like that, people have reached to the top height, all because of the probably discipline what faculties have inculcated and students have understood in the right direction and taken it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable blessings. I used to call it as the blessings only. Thank you, sir. And I think you have LP sir. LP sir, I think was very happy to see UC sir also. LP sir is one of
definitely.
One of my greatest friends in Bangalore, a person who is giving lot of support to our institution. Again, luckily, again, I think we all go in the same boat. I was actually observing in one temple. There is a Shiva temple. There is a Shiva's idol. There is what you called Parvati idol. The puja, the priest who actually does the puja for the Shiva is little bit serious, etc. Who does it for the Parvati, etc. It is really mild. So I was just wondering, maybe because of the nature what they have, or the carryover impact. Shiva means always, you remember, Trinetra, all those things. Because of that, he has become more serious. So same way, now if you talk about Jayaraman sir, Yus sir, maybe LP sir, to some extent, Shetty sir, we all have a discipline. Our wavelengths are matching easily. Even LP sir, just to tell, he is also highly disciplined person. The person who has got amazing student fan followings, and a great supporter to me. Almost in a month, at least twice or thrice, we'll be talking for various matters. So, sorry, LP sir, over to you for your inspirational words.
I don't know whether if I'm inspiring. Gurubhyo Namaha. Jayaraman sir, respected Jayaraman sir, I have heard a lot of about you. I'm seeing you. One of the greatest inspiration of all time, Uday Chandra sir. You see, sir, I'm very happy seeing you, because under his guidance, our Yuvaka Sangha went on for a very long time, and with his blessings and good work, Yuvaka Sangha continues to do social work. And Shetty sir, thank you for inviting me. I am not a professional speaker, neither I am a professional teacher. I am just a teacher of a kind where I get inspired listening to people like the erstwhile teachers. UC has been a great inspiration for me, because he was in Yuvaka Sangha with his dedication, the signature kind of UC. When somebody says about Sachin's batting, people will say straight right. And Uday Chandra sir, UC sir, is the synonym of discipline, dedication, and the punctuality, unmatched, unparalleled. Thank you, sir. And coming to Shetty sir, the energy that you are giving probably is the best that is happening to the students of CAPS. I always find the students getting inspired through you, the way you speak. And at times I find, how can you bring these things? I was CA Jujubi and Tira. The people will come to you come again kind. So here is one teacher who says that yes, CA is definitely possible, and it has been an interesting story, because my student by name Chetan Jayant was one of your early students at DVG Road, who used to tell me about you. And he would say, Shetty sir, I was thinking he must be an old man and kind. So after coming to know that you're also just completed probably then CMA. So I was wondering, and I had not met you for a long time until Sri became your student and Vijayaraja became very close to us. Like one thing I always like about CAPS is, as perfectly put it by Jayaraman sir, is the fees that you charge is unbelievable. I always have contact with all the institutes in Bangalore who are doing their CA courses. I never find anybody as reasonable as you. At the same time, you are giving the best quality. People say cheap or best. The word earlier, it was cheap and best. It is cheap or best. But yours is an exception to the new rule that it is cheap, at the same time, it is the best. It's basically because at the end of the day, I found that your CAPS Foundation, which you did it, the early part of your tuition center's beginning, was a wonderful initiative. I always tell people, and I always want my students to flourish, because good money with good people. I'm talking in front of an economics professor. Money with good people probably is the best thing that can happen to the world and country at large. The money with people like Tata's, Infosys, or with people like CAPS, that's fantastic, because politicians, people say they have thousands, crores, whatever, they name it, but it's of no use. I don't know why they amass so much of wealth. But if it comes to CAPS, or it comes through CAPS, I think that's the wonderful thing that happens with the society. And I always love the slogan which was used by Canara Bank earlier. Now they have made something coming together or something. Earlier, Canara Bank, Shetty sir, you are from North as well, South Canara, I know. That slogan, probably most of you people who have followed Canara Bank know. Growing to serve, serving to grow. That's a wonderful thing. I take it as a philosophy, one of my philosophies of life. Growing to serve, serving to grow. You should grow because you should serve. You should serve because you should grow. Growing in a sense of a social kind. Like how much money, see, an individual can, at the most, can be spending not more than 10 crores at it, the whole of his lifetime. But I don't understand a person saying that he has 27,500 crores, 10% interest if he can give 1 year or 2 years of interest to the country, he doesn't even, the base amount, he doesn't lose anything. 1 year's interest or 1 year's earning will be a great benefit to the society. This you realized at CAPS. And that's the reason why I always suggest my students at Hamsa, in the college, wherever your first destination after second QC should be at CAPS. But for reasons, today is a competitive world. I might totally not agree with Jayaraman sir that today professionals should not be publicizing. CAPS needs publicity. CAPS needs publicity, and maybe you call it advertisement, does not matter, because today the bad people are sounding more than the good ones. Let the good one make more noise. So in that sense, yes, we will continue to support Shetty sir, not in any way, but primarily because you basically are good at your subject and you treat your faculty with utmost regard and respect, which is very required for a leader, because he has to grow and the institution has to grow. At the end of the day, I'll tell you, I'm taking to a few more minutes. One thing, when I started my teaching career, and also when I tried CA, in fact, I am one who has tried CA. So I knew during those days, only people will go to Madras, Chennai, stay for 6 months. Probably Jayaraman sir might have been teaching then also. They go to Chennai, stay for 6 months, get the boarding, lodging there, come and write the exam in Bangalore. Today, after CAPS, I tell you, you are the pioneer in Bangalore who was able to bring. Shetty sir, this is to your credit, and with all sincerity at my command, I'm telling you that you And CAPS is the first place where they made it possible that people can study from Bangalore only. Now, countless chartered accountants are your students, and I'm really happy and blessed that I know an institution called CAPS and a person called Shetty sir. Keep your extraordinary work. We are with you, and I'm happy that I was able to hear to Jayaraman sir. Of course, very, very delighted to see you, sir. Thank you, sir. You made my day, and it's a fantastic thing. And your social cause, let it bring an example. I conclude one sentence with one sentence. Sir M. Visvesvaraya lived for 101 years from 1861 to 1962. I'm a very strong devotee of him. And when I go through his life history, and I've gone through a lot of things written by DVG about him, he hasn't wasted any single minute of his life. And whatever today Karnataka claims to have anything, it's through Sir M. Visvesvaraya. And he has dedicated, he got all the awards. Bangalore SJP College, it's called Sri Jaichamarajendra Polytechnic, was started. For the prize money, he got an amount of 2 lakhs. He started in the name of Jaichamarajendra Vadiyar. In Mysore also, he has started an engineering college, all in the name of the Vadiyars and the society. I was wondering why. See, I learned through his articles that when he was in his 7th, 8th standard, he had come to Bangalore. He earned through Varana, we call it as every day going to somebody's place, helping out them and eat. So for his initial years of his life, for almost 10, 12 years of in the precious life, he was helped by the society. Probably he thought it was his duty to contribute to the society. Till the end of his life, he contributed to the best of his best to the society. Probably students from your era, for students who come from CAPS, or we as people connected with you, we should understand that we owe something to the society, and empowering the generations of people with knowledge and with education, with a will to serve others is a fantastic thing. You're doing it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone who is in the meeting. So it's a pleasure. It's an honor to be a part of this meeting. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, LP sir, for your wonderful words. Thank you.
Thank you,
We are also honored, and privileged to be associated with you, because your association has helped CAPS and so many students. I can proudly say that actually it is mainly because of your support. Actually, we are able to reach that. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And also, just to add one point, yes,
clarification.
Yes, sir.
I should express my thanks to him for the very nice speech which he has given. And one small clarification. What I meant is there should be marketing. I'm not averse to marketing, but there can be effective marketing through the previous.
Yeah. Correct. I agree. Totally.
I said there should not be any marketing and all. It can be more effective because I have seen the students, 1 lakh students in the last 30 years. Whatever you do until the previous year students, they go and tell students don't come. This is what I meant.
It's my experience, and the best advertisement is our satisfied customer in the marketing language.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, both of you. And just to add one sentence to all my faculty members and also the students and maybe the future faculties, there's an institution called CAPS, and below that, actually, I consider all my senior faculties. Below that, Shetty sir. Shetty sir is definitely not equal to institution. Shetty sir is not equal to the senior faculties. I'm telling from the bottom of my heart, this is a fact. This is what I maintained, because nowhere actually I would like to listen also from the faculty saying that, so Shetty sir treats faculty well. It is not Shetty sir. The institution has to treat the faculties well. This is an institution. Institution is always above the individual. I am much below in the ranking of the hierarchy compared to all the senior faculties we have. Maybe I am above my student faculties, or maybe equal to them. I don't even consider above. I may be equal to them, but all our senior faculties are above. Above that, probably the institution called CAPS, which is obviously has to be considered. Thank you,
Leader
sir.
matters.
Yes, sir.
Leader matters.
Leader is institution, sir. Institution is the leader here. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And now I think we will take up some of the views. I would request all others, my student friends, even the young faculties to speak. I think Sri Lakshmi is there. So coincidentally, LB sir, just next to you is Sri Lakshmi in the forum also.
Oh, okay,
Just
okay.
to tell the friends, there are a lot of family members who are associate of CAPS. Sri Lakshmi is LP sir's a brother's daughter. Okay, one of the brilliant student of CAPS. I think Sri Lakshmi is senior to Asha Alva. Yeah, I know. So I think I'll go by that reasonably, whatever my memory goes. Okay, I'm going by seniority. So I'll request Sri Lakshmi to put her on. Brilliant student. She's also multi-qualified, one of the brilliant associate, partner in Guru and Jana, and the student whom I'm very proud because doing exceptionally well in the profession and a big contributor in all ways in CAPS Foundation. Over to CF Sri.
Sir, thank you so much. Gurubhyo Namaha. And I would like to copy that from LP sir. And to Jairaman sir, UC sir, and to all the faculties and our dearest students of CAPS. It has been wonderful again to be back on the forum. So I think in 2005 is when I became a student at CAPS. I was the student only for CA final, not before then. But the fee I paid, I do not remember. But what I have got from CAPS is a lifetime membership. The sort of forums that CAPS has come up with over a period of time, and we are proud to be CAPSites. So I think CAPS for us, for me, is the Bhagavad Gita of life, and Shetty sir and all the other faculties are the Krishnas who have created the Arjunas and Arjunis today. What we have got is we continue to get. And lastly, I would like to conclude without taking much time. I want to tell this story. Mom and his kid went to a supermarket, and when they went into that sweets shop, the mom had before itself told the kid, don't take any sweets from there. So the kid went inside the sweet shop, and the mom was buying something, and the owner of the sweet shop asked the kid to pick up some toffees from the bowl there, and the kid refused to take it. So mom was feeling very proud about the kid. As she was shopping again, the shopkeeper offered some more, asked the kid to take some sweets from the bowl. The kid again said, no, I'm not going to take. But before they were just about to leave, the shopkeeper asked the kid to come there, and he took all the toffees in his 2 hands and gave it to this kid. The mom thought the kid is going to refuse again, but no, what the kid did was he showed both his hands and he took all the toffees. He was so happy and he walked out. So the mom asked him, I was so happy that you didn't take, but why did you take when you were coming out? So I believe the kid told the mom, see mom, when I had gone inside itself, I had decided I am not going to take it, because when I take from my own little hands, very little will come. But when the owner gives, a lot more is going to come from his big hands. So the thing is, without asking God, in our little hands, we've got much more than what we ever thought we will get. So that way, CAPS has been giving us and continues to give the values of life. And the way we so confidently lead life, and the network of teachers we have, the beautiful human beings that it has created, we all live by the values of CAPS. And thank you so much, Shetty sir, for us not even asking and you giving us so much more with all your big heart and kind soul. And when I say Shetty sir, I speak for the entire CAPS faculties who have been a part of CAPS, and us as students, I speak for all the students on what you have created us to lead life so beautifully. Thank you so much, CAPS, for all that you do.
Thank you, Sri, for your nice and beautiful goodwill gesture. Thank you so much. So she's a student from 2005. So 15 years have already lapsed, but still she looks like a CPT student. Okay. So, and she's always pure at heart. Thank you so much, Sri. I think with this, let us move on to the next best. I think all our faculty gurus. Okay. So Asha madam, over to you. One of the brilliant student of CAPS and brilliant teacher now, Asha ma'am and Asha mom, loved by all. Over to you, Asha.
No, thank you, sir. I mean, I know I have very less time, but when you asked me, is Sri Lakshmi senior to me? I remember an incident, like it was at 9 o'clock in the night. And I think he was still taking the class and I was still watching. Okay. I was seeing my watch and Shetty sir asked, is this a new watch? I said, no, sir, it's 9 o'clock. I have to go. And I was staying 45 kilometers away and all of that. And Shetty sir then showed Sri Lakshmi, who was studying in I think in the other room. And he said, see, she's studying. I think it's 9 o'clock, but she's still studying. And I think that's when, I know Shri, I think I really got that image of she becoming a chartered accountant, and she became chartered accountant, of course, much before all of us. So first attempt, obviously. So, and I think it's really nice that incident just stuck to my mind, that it's always that hard work, that dedication, right, which pays off in life. It's good, sir. I mean, I don't know. I have, as you said, 15 years of association with CAPS. Again, 2005 is when I think I was attending classes in institute, and then Shetty sir used to take classes. The lot of incidents, if I have to share, I can write a book about my entire life with CAPS for 15 years, meeting so many people, learning so much in life. I mean, yeah, I don't really know where to start, but I think I'll just give one thing which really touches me being in CAPS is I was always an obedient student. Like, I mean, always, like all the Teachers' Day, I used to carry flowers to the teachers, give them one rose and wish them happy Teachers' Day. And they all used to give me a big smile. And but obvious, when when your favorite student wishes you, teachers feel very happy, right? So I always got that smile, but I really never realized what that smile means, right? Not experience. So in 1st November 2008, that's when I had a first class in CAPS, and there's a good story behind it. I'd called sir and said, sir, I really like teaching. And I think, but obvious, I mean, you can imagine I was very small, just I think 22 years old. Somebody can now start counting how old I am now, but very, very young and never got experience in teaching. And I go to Shetty sir, I said, sir, can I teach? I really like teaching. If you would have just said no to me, I think that would have been my end of teaching career, right? I would have not gone to anybody, because you don't have guts to ask anybody that I want to teach. And the immediate thing he said is, no, very good. We are looking for teachers, and we really want passionate teachers, and you should teach. This is a story which continues from 1st November 2008. And from then to now, there are many times I've gone to sir and said, sir, this is a reason why I'm not able to do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. There was my maternity time where 9th month, I said, sir, I can't climb steps. I think I've always cribbed with sir that I can't do, sir, my daughter has fever. I can't come to class. I don't know how many times I would have told sir that, sir, it's not happening. And what I really liked about CAPS and Shetty sir, and I think everyone who supported me, is they always made it happen. Sir, if you remember, I think the time when I was carrying my daughter, we shifted classes to Sidaya complex because it was 2nd floor, and taking for me 5 floors was very difficult. And I think it was only me who was taking classes in Sidaya complex, and all the students, without complaining, actually, they had to change their bus routes. I'm sure it's not easy. I think all of them used to come. I've got a lot from CAPS. As Sri Lakshmi rightly said, I don't know, I don't have words of how much I got. And I agree with all faculties, like Jayaraman sir, UC sir. I think I have to undoubtedly, I think, add on 300% that, discipline, commitment, what I've got is immense. It's amazing, sir, being part of CAPS. And now I will just say, when the first batch, that was 1st November 2008, and then September 2009, that's when some student got me a card and said, Happy Teachers' Day. And I tell you, that was an amazing feeling, right? That's what I mean, experiencing what a teacher means. It's always an amazing profession, and I owe this to CAPS always. I've told this to Shetty sir many times. Wholeheartedly, I think this whole profession that I am in, I owe to CAPS. I mean, I don't teach anywhere else, but I've given multiple programs, multiple seminars, I think multiple trainings. But I think everything starts from CAPS, and thanks for everything CAPS has done to me, sir, and thanks to you too. Yeah.
Thank you, Asha. Thank you. And even though you said actually you had reasons, but I think you are the one such faculty hardly had given any reasons, because even when you are carrying, you are taking the classes, your commitment, I don't think even other faculties will agree, other students will agree. I don't think, from the student faculty point of view, I don't think anybody can match your commitment. Even with the toughest of the toughest time, you have given the best possible commitment. So thank you so much. That's the reason why you reached this stage. And just to share, I hope she doesn't mind. Just to share that it is all the commitment and willingness to do will can take you to this level. When we introduced Asha for the first time, I remember I introduced her for the costing. It was not a great success. I remember so many people asking why you go for only young faculties, etc. But if I would not have given that chance, maybe there would not have been one Asha now, there would not have been Nara, there would not have been SMS now. All this happened because actually we were given the chance. But from there, you had a willingness to correct and change, and you had an adaptability. That's the reason why you reached here. Probably the teaching in the best possible way. Thank you, Asha. Thank you so much. I think quickly let us move on to the now technological partner, Mr. Narsimhan Ilangavan. He is from the space Iddangidange. Okay. So Narsimhan, in the international level.
Blockchain, sir. It is a
blockchain. I know. Blockchain. So he is one of the brilliant multi-qualified faculties of our institute. And again, CAPS Guru and faculty doing exceptionally well in the area which normally we people don't want to enter into, the technology. Over to Narsimhan, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you all the faculties. My respected pranams to everybody. Shetty sir, Asha ma'am, Shri, all of you. I joined in CAPS when as a IPCC student. That point of time it was PCC, and I just joined thinking that it's a very relaxed atmosphere. And I joined in. I had not even I had asked my friend to pay the fee, so I had not even seen Shetty sir. On the first day I came to the class, and that time it was in. I think it was in the Hanuman Nagar. Yeah. So there I was sitting in one corner. I saw the number of students. I really got scared. How many students will sir be able to handle? And this gentleman comes forward and he says, I am some other name. And all students were laughing. I said, why is somebody laughing for telling their name? Then he is like, yeah, this person is only Shetty sir. I said, okay, fine. But from then on, if I just look back, if I just see how things have moved, I think the one word which I can just say is exceptional. It's just exceptional journey. I think it is one step at a time, not to miss the fun, at the same time to ensure your concentration and focus on education is taken care. I have never seen a person crack. I mean, for me, in my mind, a chartered accountant was always a serious and that sort of a person. But the moment I heard sir in the first few days, that fear of that exam itself disappeared. And then I started loving that subject. I started liking it, and I started, enjoying this. And thanks to sir, after I, qualified, I requested sir. Sir gave me the opportunity to teach a couple of subjects. And as the things were all going fine, I make a mention of this. You guys would have heard me speaking this before. I finished my DISA course, and now I came back to sir and I said, sir, I finished the DISA class. Sir said, fantastic. So what? I said, so what, sir? I'll go back and continue my costing or whatever class. He said, no, you have to start teaching information technology. I said, sir, you must be joking. He said, no, that's the reality. And trust me, that is my life-changing decision. That is my life-changing decision. Because today, I specialize in information technology. I am a subject matter expert. I speak across the globe. Next week, I'm speaking at ISACA Africa conference. The year before I spoke at the Geneva conference, and all the conferences I speak, I am among the top 5 rated speakers and the youngest speaker. And how did I get that confidence? I think sir gave me the push. The moment you are given a very daunting task, what is it that you do? You have one option, cry, crib, and forget. Or the second option is take it up as a challenge. I took it up as a challenge, kept on reading. And today, thanks to this, initiative, despite whatever challenges are facing in this COVID lockdown, etc., whatever may be the scenario, I feel that I'm still well off. I still feel I'm happy, and I still am able to contribute to CAPS Foundation. It's not that I'm not able to just take care of myself and family. I'm able to take care of this. And I'm very happy. In addition, I've also started writing books. The experiences and the Josh which I got in. I've authored 4 books already for our institute. All of them are available. And all of this is not something which I do for my own. I give back to the profession. That is, I think, a very important lesson we have to learn. See, academics, knowledge you will acquire. But the way you become a human being, that is the most important thing. And I think this place gives you that. thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity to speak. And I always will owe to this place for this sort of a fundamentals which is already given. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Nara. I think one of the beautiful takeaway from his words, I think all of you must observe, especially student friends. I'm happy today. I'm well off. So even in this COVID-19, okay, if someone can confidently tell that, so that is the commitment, dedication, what you have shown in your life. And thanks to CA profession, more than CAPS, I would be happy. Thanks to the profession which all of you have taken up. So the CAs, I'm sure I saw a moment you said that Sri Lakshmi Pannaga, okay, giving the, what you call, reaction to you. So we are happy, we are proud because the profession what we have taken up. So thanks to the profession what we are in, because whatever situation comes, this profession, this qualification will not leave us. So be happy. And our student friends who are listening, very important takeaway to all of you. If you can, what you call, implement what sir has told in a serious way, become a chartered accountant the earliest. Come what may, there can be hundreds of thousands of pandemic like this. Our profession will not leave our heart. Okay, which I think Sri Lakshmi country, I think she was giving a reaction. Pannaga was giving a reaction, which I feel most of them have told this. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nara sir, for a brilliant word. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I think next we have.